So this is the Triumph Speed 400. Good stepping stone into getting into motorcycling. And there's your first motorcycle. Only about 40 horsepower less, but it looks actually quite nice. The seat looks quite comfortable for 5,000, nearly £5,200. You've got multiple colours on the tank. You've got Golf Walks. Nice looking engine, nice styling, nice touches here as well, nice details. And it's going to be quite lightweight. Being an entry-level naked bike, don't expect a huge amount of controls. You just got your dip beam, main beam, indicators, easy to read speedo, and a small LCD screen, and paint finish is actually quite nice. You've got like this chrome filler cap, starter here. Although yeah, that actually wiggles a bit, and it's entry level naked bike, isn't it? It's not going to be premium. There you go.